In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a torn paper effect in Canva. This is a great way to add a unique touch to your designs, whether you're working on a presentation, social media graphic, or any personal project. So let's get started. First, we'll need to access Canva. Open your preferred web browser and type in Canva in the search bar. Once you've navigated to the Canva website, click on Continue to proceed to the next step. If you haven't logged in, you'll need to select your Google account to sign in to Canva. After selecting your account, you might see a prompt asking you to confirm your choice. Simply click Continue to proceed. With your account ready to go, it's time to open the project you're planning to work on. You can do this by selecting a recent project from your dashboard or starting a new one, depending on what you'd like to create today. Once inside your project, guide your mouse over to the sidebar on the left side of the screen and click on Elements. In the search bar at the top of this section, type in Torn Paper Frame. Doing this will bring up various options that Canva has to offer, and you can browse through them to find a frame that suits your design's aesthetic. After you've settled on a frame that you like, click on it to insert it into your project. This is a simple action and the frame will automatically be added to your canvas. Now it's time to choose the specific torn effect you want to incorporate. Canva offers different styles, so feel free to click on any option to see how it appears on your project. Once you've selected your preferred torn effect, make adjustments as needed. You can resize the frame or reposition it until it perfectly matches your intended design. Now it's time to add your image to the frame. Locate the image you want to use from your uploads or the Canva image library. Click on the image and drag it into the frame. You'll notice the image snaps right into place, conforming to the frame you've chosen. After placing your image in the torn paper frame, make any final adjustments. You may want to further tweak the size or position to better align with your design intentions. Next, you might want to add a highlight to draw attention or enhance the visual appeal of your image. Navigate to the desired highlight option and apply it. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully created a striking torn paper effect using Canva. Feel free to explore different torn frames and highlights to create various styles and themes. This effect is perfect for that eye-catching, artistic vibe. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed learning how to craft this cool design element with Canva. Happy designing!